Okay, race of the cranes. When Baba says go, you have to push both buttons forward, okay? Let's see whose crane is faster. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Oh, Irish crane win! Again? Go back. Uh-oh, Baba crane got stuck because of the frequencies matching. Okay, once more, okay? Ready? Go! Go back! Actually, they both have the same speed, right?